Let's create an tags filter for a WooCommerce store using WooBeWoo filter. Create a new filter, click New Filter button, enter the filter name, select Tag section, and click Create. Let's add a title for Tags filter. The Tags filter has 6 display forms. These are checkboxes, drop-down menus, buttons, text, and colors. Color mode also allows you to display images. Let's select text, for example. This display form allows you to create a tag cloud. We also activate product counters and horizontal layout. We also switch the filter activation type to automatic and add a clear button. Click Save the filter to move further. Let's add our filter to the store page using a widget. In the widget search, write Filter, add, and select the filter we configured from the list. We have added a tag cloud with automatic filter activation and multiple selection function to our store page. Try it for free and see for yourself that it is the best WooCommerce filtering solution to increase store conversion.